as a nurse, taking care of patients, you take care of families too. Some families are easier than others. So when Cooper decided that they were going to stop all visiting, I'm sure that if every nurse was being truthful, they would say that they were very excited about it. It gives you time to do what you need to do throughout the day without having to worry about the family stepping out or anything like that. The first week, maybe the first 2 weeks, it was nice just having that peace and quiet, not having, to break up your day. You could just kind of do whatever you needed to do whenever. And then I think we all quickly realized that it was not the vacation we thought it was going to be. People were dying and didn't have their loved ones around. And that's hard. At least too, sometimes when families come around, it gives patients something to do. Someone to talk to other than just staring at a wall or talking to strangers. But they didn't even have that. Sorry. As nurses, we usually have 2 patients in the ICU, so you have one that you have to FaceTime their loved ones and let them say goodbye, and then the patient passes away, and just like that, you're getting a new patient, or you have another patient that you have to put on a brave face for and do everything that you can for them too. We had a brief window of, all right, cry it out, punch a wall, do whatever you need to do to kind of get yourself together, because the next patient is rolling in that you just have to give the same amount of fight for. The success stories when people are leaving the ICU for the positive, it was a lot of, I don't want to say fun, but it was a lot of fun to watch them get out of the ICU. One of my first, we put patients on ECMO. It's probably the sickest patients that we have. So he was probably one of the first ECMO patients that I had ever taken care of. So I was a little attached. I talked to his wife or his sister every single day. For weeks I had him. And then he started to get better. And then, they let his wife come in to see him. So it was nice finally getting to see a face, even if it was just her eyes. And on the day that he left, we had a big party. I went to the elevator to get the elevator for them, and I walked back into the unit, and his wife was leaving, and without hesitation, I just hugged her. I didn't care. It was an illegal hug, but I needed it. She needed it. She was like, I forgot what it felt like to hug people, and I think we all do.